In this video, we explore the physics behind why transformers fail when connected to a DC power supply, examining electromagnetic induction and the causes of physical destruction. Direct current destroys transformers. Because DC does not transfer power effectively through a transformer, it draws massive current, causing the coils to overheat and potentially burning out the device. It all starts with a solenoid. When electric current flows through a wire forming a coil, it generates a strong magnetic field. A transformer is designed by linking two solenoids. The primary coil receives the input, the secondary coil provides the output, and an iron core links their magnetic fields. Faraday's law of induction states that a magnetic field must change to create voltage in a second coil. Without that change, no power is transferred. Alternating current works because it continuously reverses direction. This creates a moving magnetic field, allowing the secondary coil to detect the change and produce voltage. In contrast, DC flows in a single direction. This creates a static, frozen magnetic field. Because there is no change, the secondary coil produces zero voltage. In AC circuits, frequency creates inductive reactance. This reactance acts as a shield, limiting the current in the primary coil and protecting the system. Because DC has zero frequency, it results in zero reactance. The primary coil effectively becomes a short circuit, drawing massive, destructive amounts of current. Furthermore, DC causes core saturation. The constant magnetic flux overloads the iron core, causing it to lose its ability to manage magnetic fields entirely. This table summarizes the difference. AC provides frequency in changing flux, keeping the system safe, while DC provides zero frequency and constant flux, leading to failure. There is an exception: pulsating DC. If we force the current to switch on and off, we create the necessary magnetic changes for the transformer to function. Modern electronics use inverters and converters to achieve this. These devices chop DC into rapid pulses, allowing a transformer to process the energy safely. In summary, transformers are frequency machines. They require motion, change, and alternating fields to transfer energy and remain functional.